Were those questions given to you by the White House, or did you have, or the campaign, or did you have to submit questions ahead of this interview?
The questions were sent to me for approval. I approved them.
Okay, so the White House sent the questions to you ahead of the interview?
Yes.
A Philadelphia radio station has severed ties with a host who admitted to using questions supplied by President Biden's team during an interview. On Sunday, July 7th, WURD Radio's leadership confirmed the departure of Andrea Lawful-Sanders, who previously hosted The Source on WURD 96.1 FM. Lawful-Sanders conducted the first post-debate interview with Biden on Wednesday, July 3rd. However, she revealed on CNN's First of All with Victor Blackwell on Saturday, July 6th, that she received 8 questions from Biden's team and used 4 of them during the interview. Sarah Lomax, president and CEO of WURD Radio, stated that she was not involved in the interview negotiations. The interview featured predetermined questions provided by the White House, which violates our practice of remaining an independent media outlet accountable to our listeners. As a result, Ms. Lawful-Sanders and WURD Radio have mutually agreed to part ways, effective immediately, Lomax said. Despite the pre-supplied questions, Biden made a significant gaffe during the interview, mistakenly claiming he was the first black woman to serve with a black president. Following Lawful-Sanders' admission, Earl Ingram, a WMCS host who interviewed Biden after WURD, disclosed that he also received and used predetermined questions. The Biden-Harris campaign has maintained that the White House did not manage the interview process. Biden, 81, has faced increased scrutiny following his debate performance against former President Donald Trump, which raised concerns among Democrats about his fitness for office.